So during my PhD, I actually interned at Tesla, and I worked at the cell materials engineering team, and I did a lot of testing work there, and I really like industry work. So after I graduated, I decided, okay, I'm going to start a company to commercialize the technologies I developed during my PhD program. Hi, this is Ray Xu from Fermi Energy. I'm the CTO of Fermi Energy Inc. We produce battery materials for lithium-ion batteries and sodium-ion batteries. We are a materials provider. So basically, we make the cathode materials for batteries, either lithium-ion or sodium-ion batteries. I think the biggest feature we're looking at here is nickel and cobalt free, meaning that we don't use any expensive or scarce elements because we are in a huge energy transition from fossil fuels to clean energy. And we need like hundreds of terawatt-hour energy to really have the energy transition. We are looking at this more about the customer needs. So, for example, for EV owners, charging speed is a big headache to them. We are pushing the boundaries to ultra-fast charging. And another thing is about the low temperature performance. If you have an EV, you don't really feel confident in wintertime. We are addressing the challenge by developing new electrolytes, new cathode materials to tackle this challenge as a system. ChargeUp is a really great program in terms of the talent pool support. So we have been trying to find good candidates for our company, and we were able to hire interns through the New Energy New York programs. By focusing on manufacturing, we will be able to supply high performance and on the same side, low cost materials to battery manufacturers so that we can benefit the energy transition. We just cannot push people to do the transition. We have to make sense appealing to them so that they want to do the transition by themselves.